viewers, and welcome to Entertainment News Gist on Flip TV. I am Marilyn. Stay with us. On the highlights, Davido performs alongside Yinka Ayefele on stage. Weddington concert as Pasuma gives daughter hand out in marriage. Can Wizkid be charged for allegedly stealing 30 million naira from Wizkid monthly? 5-year-old Nigerian girl wins Miss Toddler USA 2021. Mrs. Ward decrowned few minutes after she was announced Mrs. Ward. Popular rapper DMX dies at 50. Stay with us. Nigerian singer Davido has been spotted on stage alongside Nigerian gospel singer Yinka Ayefele. The famed crooner, who has been on vacation to the United States of America, just returned to Nigeria recently and was spotted at a large party held at Okun State. A video going around online captured the moment the gospel singer Yinka Ayefele summoned the top singer to come on stage. Davido came on stage with a massive stash of 1,000 naira notes and gave a freestyle performance. It was an awe moment as Davido was able to give a freestyle of some of his popular songs with a live band. You know, this news has been making rounds on social media and people were like, Ayefele is a gospel singer and we all know this man as a gospel singer. And here is Davido, performing alongside Ayefele. So this thing has been making a lot of rounds on social media. People have been hailing Davido for giving Ayefele a stash of money, 1,000 naira notes, and that money is a huge sum of money. He did not even spend it. He just had to give it to him, and I was like, wow. So this thing has been making a lot of rounds on social media. A lot of people have a lot of comments on it. You know, fans of Davido now, they're writing in the comment section saying that who no go like Davido, something like that. So it's making a lot of rounds on social media. Just tell me what you feel about this news in the comment section. Let me know what you feel about it. Popular Fuji music icon Wasiu Alabi Pasuma has shut down the whole of Lagos State while giving out his daughter Barakat Oyindamola hand in marriage to husband Olajuwon Bello. Guests were seen having a good time as prominent people from entertainment industry trooped in to wine and down and celebrate with the couple. Some celebrities present were Iyabo Ojo, Madam Shaje, Iya Rainbow, Jaye Kuti, Yomi Fashlanso, Soji Omobanke, MC Oluomo, Dado Shoki, and the Alapo Major of Nigeria Nice, just to mention a few. The Maegun of Yoruba land himself, K1 the Ultimate, stormed the reception all elegantly with his band and truce guests as he sang melodiously. The wedding was mind-blowing and was one of the most talked about events this week. In fact, some people said it's a Weddington's concert with the outpour of love from musicians like Small Doctor, Nice, and others. Flip TV wishes Oyindamola and Olajuwon a happy married life. An upcoming artist identified as Wizkid has caused several reactions from social media users following a show-off of the streaming number of his last Made album. The album, which has all of Wizkid's songs of Maiden Lagos track, has amassed a total of 9.3 million views. The Twitter user Chemical Brother shared screenshots and stated that even after listening to Wizkid's song for over 28 hours, Apple Music distributed the traffic to both Wizkid and Wizkid. According to him, Wizkid has been getting over 30 million monthly since October 2020. Shortly after, Wizkid fans started to react, blaming Jada for not being competent enough to manage Wizkid. While some said Jada should just tell us her point of view if she wants to become a lover and baby mama or she wants to become a manager. Some believe Jada, being a woman, cannot even manage Wizkid talent. A 5-year-old Nigerian girl, Cleopatra Vegas, has been crowned the new Miss Toddler USA American Nation 2021. And this is not the first time of her winning a beauty pageant. Cleopatra Vegas, a Mexican-Nigerian American who was born in Chicago, was crowned was crowned at the fast-rising kids pageant contest held in the U.S., popularly known as Miss American Nation. Speaking to journalists after she was announced as the new Miss Toddler USA American Nation 2021, Princess Cleopatra, who speaks Igbo, Spanish, and English language fluently, expressed gratitude to the organizers of the pageant contest. She also thanked her parents for the love, guidance, and support they extended to her. On her first pageant crown, she won. Princess Cleopatra was just 10 months old, and she won Baby Eleanor's 2016 after beating 20 other kids. A proud mother also spoke about her, describing her daughter as an outstanding kid with several rare abilities. She noted that with her new crown as Miss Toddler USA American Nation 2021, there will be more to expect from Princess Cleopatra Vejas. She was crowned winner of Miss Toddler USA American Nation 2021 after scoring highest in an evening gown parade described as elegance with 25%, a cultural parade with 25%, and community service through the individual platform at 50% ahead of other kids who participated in the contest. Wow! Children are already taking the lead, and that is a good one. Congratulations to you, Princess Cleopatra Vejas. We wish you the very best in your contest. I love you so much. Still on entertainment news. Elle Simons, better known as rapper DMX, is dead. He died on Friday at White Plain Hospital in White Plain, New York. According to a statement from his family, he has been on life support from a few days following an heart attack. The 50-year-old was a devout Christian who will end his life set with a prayer. A statement released by his family reads, Elle was a warrior who fought to the very end. He loved his family with all his heart and we cherish the time we spent with him. The statement said, Elle's music inspired countless fans around the world, and his iconic legacy will live on forever. We appreciate all of the love and support during this incredibly difficult time. The reigning Mrs. World on Friday relinquished a title while defending her decision to pull crown off the head of this year's Mrs. Sri Lanka title holder, where she claimed she was unqualified to take part in the contest because she is divorced. Caroline Jury, the winner of Mrs. World 2020, has been accused of injuring Pushpik De Silva, who was crowned Mrs. Sri Lanka on Sunday at a televised pageant in Colombia. Jury was arrested on Thursday and later released on bail. In a statement Friday, Jury said she stood against injustice and said the pageant was stunted. My only intention was to stand up for injustice caused to the competitors throughout the competition, which was taunted with every politicization, she said. Jury added that she wanted to ensure that every contestant had an equal opportunity because she had seen from the beginning that the contest was corrupted. She stressed she did not favor anyone. I am not ready to hand over the crown, she said at the end of the video before removing a crown from her head. When the Sunday bust up, De Silva clarified that she is separated but not divorced from her husband. Mrs. Sri Lanka belongs to the Mrs. World Beauty Contest for married women. In a statement on Facebook, De Silva said, being apart is one, divorce is something else. I'm still an undivorced woman. But on Friday, Jury said, she said the pageant was not meant to discriminate against divorced women, but to celebrate the dream of the married woman. Let's look at this this way. Fine, De Silva says she is not divorced. She's only separated. And yeah, this is Mrs. World coming out to say that she is divorced. And this contest is meant for married women. It's meant to celebrate married women. Me, I feel it was wrong. No matter what happened, no matter if she does not even deserve the crown. I totally feel it was wrong for Mrs. World to go on stage. Just few minutes after she was crowned, she went on stage and decrowned her. No, that is out of it. Many Nigerians were even saying under the comment section that if it was in Nigerian, the crown is going to turn to a weapon and they are going to fight and all that. But I respect the way De Silva just went out of the stage. Though she was emotional, she was crying, but she just had to just leave the stage like that and just... But now the crown has been returned to her because she said she was never divorced from her husband. She was just separated. Left to me, I think it was injustice for Mrs. World to have just go on stage like that. They made the crown maybe a day after, a week after making her findings. But for her to do it on stage, no. It's a no. It is wrong. It is very wrong. Just tell me what you feel about this in the comment section, because I don't know, we have different views. Let me know what you feel about this in the comment section. I would like to see them. Okay guys, we're moving on to another exciting segment of the show, which is Flashback on this week. And this week in our Flashback, we have Hanks Anuku, Genevieve Unaji, and Chidi Mokene. Hanks Anuku is a Nigerian actor and famous for toughy roles, a villain, or what in local parlance is called. He's known as Badman. He was born 27th August 1960 and was naturalized and became an American. He attended Loyola College Ibadan. He graduated from Auchi Polytechnic in 1981 before he joined Nollywood. Genevieve Unaji, born 3 May 1979, is a Nigerian actress, producer, and director. She won the African Movie Academy Award for Best Actress in a Leading Role in 2005, making her the first actor to win it. Chidi Mokene, born 17th March 1972, is a Nigerian actor and reality show host. He hails from Oba in Idemili South local government of Anambra State, Southeast Nigeria. He was the host of Gouda Ultimate Search reality show. Okay guys, that's all I have for you on today's show, Entertainment News Gist on Flip TV. I remain Marilyn. Please like, drop your comment. I want to see your comment in the comment box. And please do subscribe to see more of this show. Please stay safe and bye-bye.